Hey, what's up guys? Got another video for y'all today. We're going to show y'all how we built the pattern ply decorative board. It's not a cutting board per se. You don't really want to cut on it, but it's just more of a decorative piece for around the house. I got the idea from Fab, and I saw it on his Instagram. Thought we'd give it a try and follow along. We'll show you how we did it. Alright, as you can see, we got our 3/4 inch plywood already cut down into strips, 1 5/8 thick. We got us a template nailed down so we can keep our board square. We're going to start gluing them up and brad nailing them in place. Alright, now that this glue's set for 24 hours, we're going to get this thing clamped down and get it cut to size. Alright, now that we got this thing cut down to size, we're going to run it through the planer, get it smoothed out, get all the wood glue off of it, and then move on to the palm sander. We're going to sand it down with some 80 grit, move on to 150, and then some 220. Alright, now that the sanding is complete, we're going to move on to the finishing stage. We opted to cover this board in 3 layers of polyurethane, and that's going to complete this build. I hope you enjoyed the aftershots. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment if you want to see something else. We are also on Instagram, Built by Twins, and on TikTok. If you're interested, check us out.